This is the Travel Universal Cable Organizer from BAGSMART. The exterior features ripstop nylon and a two-way zipper. The right side features a dedicated pocket for memory cards and a zippered pouch for larger items like battery pouches. It also has two mesh pouches and elastic bands for organizing larger items like earbuds. The left side has another zipper compartment for large items such as a hard drive or battery pack, and features four mesh pockets and elastic organizers for charging cables and accessory cables, as well as pens and other writing utensils. You can see that even when fully loaded, the bag is compact for travel. This is the Travel Universal Cable Organizer from BAGSMART.